If you love books, creativity, and relaxing hands-on projects, Book Nook DIY Kits are one of the most rewarding things you can add to your space. These miniature scenes sit quietly between your novels during the day, but once the lights turn on, they completely transform your bookshelf into something magical. The challenge is that not every kit delivers the same experience. Some are designed for beginners who want a calm and quick build, while others are detailed projects that take hours and feel more like collector's display pieces when they're finished. So in this video, I'm breaking down 7 of the best Book Nook DIY kits for adults based on design quality, build difficulty, materials, lighting features, display value, and overall satisfaction. The goal is simple. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your skill level, your aesthetic, and how much time you actually want to invest. Let's start with one of the most beginner-friendly and giftable options, the CUTEBee Owl Bookstore Book Nook. This kit is designed to be accessible. The assembly time is around 1 to 2 hours, which is much faster than most builds in this category. That makes it perfect if you want a relaxing creative session without turning it into a full-day project. The instructions are colorful, clear, and easy to follow, so even if this is your first miniature build, the process feels smooth instead of overwhelming. The theme is a Renaissance-style bookstore, and it creates a warm, scholarly atmosphere. Inside the scene, you'll notice dark wooden bookshelves, classical table lamps, framed artwork, and carefully layered details that give it an old-world charm. When the LED lighting is turned on, the entire nook feels like a hidden reading room from another century. There's also a nice balance between guided assembly and customization. You can follow the layout exactly as designed, or you can add your own miniature figures and personal touches to make it unique. As a decor piece, it fits comfortably in standard bookshelves and works just as well on a desk or side table. If your priority is a quick build, a cozy aesthetic, and a beginner-friendly experience, this is one of the easiest kits to recommend. Now, if your taste leans more toward calm, bright, and nature-inspired scenes, the Rolife Garden House Book Nook moves in a completely different direction. This one feels like a tiny indoor garden retreat. The open front structure allows you to see deep into the miniature space from multiple angles, which makes it feel larger and more immersive. Inside, there's a comfortable armchair, plant-filled shelves, a warm glowing lamp, and hanging wisteria that creates a soft canopy overhead. The assembly process is tool-free and works like a precise 3D wooden puzzle. The parts slot together cleanly, which keeps the experience relaxing and meditative rather than complicated. Visually, the white frame and greenery make it one of the most decor-friendly book nooks on this list. It blends beautifully into modern interiors and adds warmth without making your shelf look dark or crowded. For fantasy lovers, the Rowood Magic House, also known as the Magic Study, creates a completely different kind of atmosphere. This kit is designed as a wizard's library, filled with mystical details and vintage architectural elements. The layered structure and warm lighting give it a magical nighttime look that instantly draws attention. The build time is around 5 hours, which puts it in that perfect middle range, long enough to feel rewarding, but not so long that it becomes exhausting. The snap-fit construction keeps the process clean and organized, and the eco-friendly materials make the finished model feel solid and durable. This is the kind of book nook that becomes a conversation piece. It's ideal for fantasy readers, collectors, and anyone who wants their bookshelf to tell a story. Now for the most visually bold and modern option in the lineup, the Cyberpunk Book Nook. This kit takes a completely different approach to color and lighting. Instead of warm wood tones and vintage details, you get deep technological blues, bright pink and yellow highlights, and a multi-layer LED setup that creates dramatic reflections and shadows. When the lights are on in a dark room, this piece doesn't just sit on your shelf, it becomes the focal point of the entire space. The build is slightly more challenging because of the number of small components and the lighting installation, but that extra effort is exactly what gives it such a high-impact final result. It's perfect for modern interiors, gaming setups, and creative studios. And because the layout encourages customization, it's a great choice if you enjoy adding your own details and experimenting with the scene. From futuristic neon, we move back into something timeless and literary with the Rowood Shakespeare's Bookstore Book Nook. This kit is inspired by the famous Paris bookstore that has been a gathering place for writers and artists for generations. That influence gives the entire miniature a warm and authentic atmosphere. The interior is filled with layered book displays, tiny architectural elements, and carefully molded decorative pieces that make it feel like a real location. One of the standout features is the touch-sensitive lighting. With a simple tap, the bookstore glows to life, which adds a premium, collectible feel. The structure is larger and heavier than most beginner kits, and that extra weight comes from the dense materials and the high level of detail. Many of the interior elements can also be rearranged, which allows you to refresh the display over time and create new visual stories. For readers, writers, and lovers of classic libraries, this is one of the most refined and elegant builds available. Next is the Rolife Time Travel Sakura Wine Alley, and this one brings color and cultural atmosphere to your shelf. It looks like a tiny street scene from Japan, filled with signage, warm lighting, and carefully arranged furniture that creates a lively and welcoming environment. The roof design uses a bold ukiyo-e art style, which immediately makes it stand out from more traditional book nooks. Despite the rich detail, the build is beginner-friendly and designed to be relaxing rather than complex. That makes it a great choice if you want something visually impressive without committing to a long assembly process. As a decor piece, it adds energy, warmth, and artistic character to almost any room. Finally, for the most advanced and premium experience in this lineup, there's the MiniCity Beyond Library Book Nook. This kit represents a grand private library filled with rare books, maps, and artwork that celebrate human creativity and discovery. It has one of the longest build times at around 8 to 10 hours, and that time investment shows in the final result. The wood is thicker and more durable than most standard kits, the structure feels solid and stable, and the lighting pulls your eyes deep into the miniature space. One of the biggest advantages here is the included dust cover. That small detail makes a huge difference for a long-term display because it keeps the interior clean and preserves the quality of the scene. This is not just a craft project. It's a centerpiece designed for collectors and serious miniature enthusiasts who want the most immersive and detailed build possible. So, which one should you choose? If you're a complete beginner and want something quick and cozy, the CUTEBee Owl Bookstore is the easiest place to start. If you want a calm, nature-inspired display that blends beautifully into modern decor, the Rolife Garden House is the most relaxing option. For fantasy and storytelling, the Rowood Magic House creates a magical bookshelf scene. If you want something bold, modern, and visually striking, the Cyberpunk Book Nook stands out instantly. For classic literary charm and a premium feel, the Rowood Shakespeare's bookstore is the collector's favorite. If you love travel-inspired scenes with vibrant color and cultural character, the Sakura Wine Alley is the most lively and artistic choice. And if your goal is the most detailed, immersive, and advanced build, the MiniCity Beyond Library is the ultimate centerpiece. At the end of the day, a Book Nook DIY kit isn't just about how it looks when it's finished. It's about the experience of building it, the time you spend creating something with your hands, and the feeling you get every time you see that tiny world glowing on your shelf. It becomes part of your reading space, part of your daily environment, and part of your personal style. And that's what makes these kits so special. You're not just buying decor, you're building a miniature world that reflects the kind of stories you love. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more research-based product comparisons that help you make smarter buying decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.